Hey, have you ever had the problem of your sprites in your tilemap flickering or tearing at the edges? If so, I'm here to show you a quick and easy solution for this problem. When you experience flickering or tearing in your tilemaps, it's often due to subpixel rendering issues or texture bleeding. This happens because Unity's rendering engine sometimes struggles to sample the edges of sprites accurately, especially when tiles are placed right next to each other. To fix this, we can use a sprite atlas, which packs all your sprites into a single texture and helps Unity render them more efficiently. Let's go through the steps to set this up. First, go to your Assets folder, right-click, then go to Create, 2D, Sprite Atlas, and then you can name it something appropriate like Tilemap Atlas. Before we do anything else, I like to set the filter mode to point no filter to ensure the sprites retain their pixel perfect look. Also, set the compression quality to high to maintain the quality of your sprites. And then, to fix the tearing or flickering or whatever you want to call it, you need to add all the tilemaps you use to the Objects for Packing list. Simply drag your tilemap assets into the inspector under the Objects for Packing section. And then when we finally hit play, you'll see that the flickering or tearing is completely gone. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to eliminate flickering and tearing in your tilemaps using a sprite atlas. If you found the video helpful, consider subscribing for more Unity tips and tricks. See you next time.